In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your ChatGPT session and ensure everything runs smoothly without hiccups. There are a few key steps we'll walk through together that will help optimize your experience, whether you're using the app or a browser. Let's dive right in. First, an essential step is to log out of your ChatGPT account. This may seem straightforward, but it's crucial as sometimes simply disconnecting and reconnecting can fix minor issues. Once you're logged out, we'll take a moment to clear out some digital clutter. Removing your browser cache and cookies or app data will help ensure that no old information is causing conflicts with your current session. If you're on a browser, you'll want to navigate to your settings, then head over to the privacy section and find the option for clearing browsing data. Make sure to select cookies and cache data before you hit clear. If you're using the mobile app, you'll follow a similar path. Go to the settings of your device, find the apps section, select ChatGPT, then tap on storage, and finally clear the cache. Once that's done and dusted, it's time to log back in. Use your OpenAI or ChatGPT account credentials, and you should be good to go. Logging back in helps initiate a fresh session with updated settings. Now, let's ensure the backbone of your online activity, your internet connection, is stable. A shaky connection can lead to disruptions and can easily be mistaken for problems in the app or browser. So, check to see if your connection is stable. A good way to ensure connectivity is by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes one may have stronger reception than the other, and testing both can help you identify which connection is more reliable at the moment. Keeping your ChatGPT app or browser up to date is the next crucial step. Software updates are often released to fix bugs and improve performance. If you're using the ChatGPT app on your mobile device, check the App Store or Google Play for the latest version and update it if needed. On a browser, make sure you're using the most current version of Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Updates often come with enhanced features and vital security patches, so keeping everything up to date is a critical part of maintaining a smooth user experience. Finally, let's loop back to clearing cache and cookies. This step is a repetition of our earlier step and serves to finalize our refresh process. By clearing your browser's cache and cookies or doing the same for the app's storage, you're giving yourself a completely clean slate. This ensures any residual data that might have affected performance in the past is adequately cleared out. By following these steps, you should be able to refresh your ChatGPT session and enjoy a seamless interaction. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.